So you can see right here in one of the affiliate programs I've promoted, I was able to generate $29,340. You can see in another affiliate program, I was able to generate over $30,300 with still money coming over the next few weeks. And what I'm gonna do is share with you exactly how you can start to generate commissions just like I showed you. And what I'm gonna do is reveal an incredibly simple free strategy anyone can do without experience, without showing your face online, and without even having a following. By the way, grab my free toolkit below. It's the exact funnel and tools I use to earn $300 or more a day with affiliate marketing, and it works even if you're a complete beginner. Without further ado, let's go ahead and dive in right now. Okay, so I'm going to share with you how to quickly and easily join the Fiverr affiliate program. All you have to do is go to affiliates.fiverr.com and you'll get taken to this page here. Now, all you have to do is actually either go to this tab right here, or you can just click this button here and you will get taken to this page right here. This is the sign up page. Now, it's totally free to sign up for their affiliate program. You just put in your name, email address, create a username and password. This is how you're going to log in and get your affiliate links. Okay, and just finish signing up. Then this button here will be visible and you'll be able to go to the next step and finish signing up. Now, once you actually log into your account, you're going to get taken to the dashboard here. Now, this is a dummy account just for tutorial purposes. But what you want to look at is you want to go to this left side here and you want to click the drop down for marketing tools. Okay, so let me go ahead and do that there. And then they have all these different links. The one you want to focus on right here is default and deep links. Okay, that's where you're going to get your affiliate links. So go ahead and click that. So this is going to take you to this page here. Now they have these default links. Okay, so this link is for Fiverr Marketplace. This is for Fiverr Pro. And you can go ahead and just copy these links and just promote the generic Fiverr website. Okay, so this takes them to this page here. And if they sign up and create an account through your link and they purchase one of the gigs, you could earn up to $150 on their first purchase. Now you can actually promote specific gigs on Fiverr as well. So in order to do that, all you have to do is go to Fiverr and actually find one of the gigs you want to promote specifically as an affiliate. Go and copy the URL of that gig. Go back to this page here, click deep link, and then paste in the link to that gig here. And then just click save. And now these links are updated, okay? So if you want to promote the Fiverr Pro with that specific gig, you can go here. But if you just want to do the basic one, I can copy this. Now, if I go to it, you'll see that it takes people directly to this gig, but in the URL, at the end of it, it has our affiliate information, okay? So this is going to code the fact that if someone comes here and purchases, we're going to be able to earn commissions from recommending this specific gig. Now that you've got a product ready, let's jump into how to actually get traffic. Stick with me because I'll show a method that's fast, beginner friendly, and works even if you've never promoted anything before. So now I'm going to share with you how to use AI to create a blog post in seconds and how to promote that blog post so you can start getting tons of traffic to your affiliate link. So the first step is to go to ChatGPT. If you don't have ChatGPT, just create a free account. And then once you're in here, what you want to do inside this box is paste in a prompt like this, okay? And you can actually copy this exact prompt if you want. This works incredibly well. It basically says, write a 600-word blog post titled, How I Started Affiliate Marketing with No Experience and Earned My First Commission. Now, I will say this title right here, when you continue to do this method, you want to use different titles each time. And also, if you're not in the affiliate marketing or make money online niche, you want to tailor it for your niche. So you could say, you know, how I started losing weight with no experience and lost 10 pounds, you know, or something like that. Then we want to include this. This is going to be the actual qualities we want the blog to have. It says, make it beginner friendly, easy to follow, and include a call to action. Like click here to discover the system I use. Now that's very important with the call to action because once we generate this blog post, we want people to read the post, get value, and then get led to buy our affiliate offer. Now, once we put that in, just click this black arrow there, and then it's going to generate in a matter of seconds this incredible blog post. Okay, so it just generated the entire blog post. Now, this is incredibly powerful. And what we want to do is distribute this. Now, one place you can go that a lot of people sleep on is a place called Blogger. So all you got to do is go to Google, type in the word Blogger, and then just click this first link here. And then if you have a Gmail account and you're currently logged in, what's going to happen is it will automatically take you into this page right here. This is your Blogger dashboard. Now, the cool thing about Blogger is it's completely free and it's actually owned by Google. So when you make these blog posts here, you have a very good chance of actually ranking inside of Google. Okay, so your blog post could actually start showing up here where people will start to find it when they type in keywords related to the title of our blog post. So once you're here, all you want to do is go to the left and click on where it says new post. And then where it says title, we just want to go to the ChatGPT post and then just copy this title here and then just paste it in the title right there. Now for body, what you want to do is literally, again, just copy the body that it created for us, go into Blogger, and then just paste. And you can see it actually pasted with all the headlines. This blog is incredibly powerful, and it literally was created in seconds. Now, at the bottom where it has this call to action, we want to highlight, and we want to actually go to this right here to remove the link. And then we want to highlight it again, click these three dots, and then click this right here. And then we want to put in our funnel link or the affiliate link that we're actually promoting. So for example, I could just say, affiliate link, okay? And then just click apply. And now anytime someone clicks on this link, it's going to take them to the offer that we're actually promoting. The last step is to just go up here and then just click publish right there, okay? And then click confirm. And you can see it was posted right there. So now if we just click view, you can see right here, this is the actual post, okay? So we have this attention grabbing title right here, and they read over all of this value. And then when they get to the bottom, it has a link going to our affiliate offer, okay? Now you want to stay consistent with Blogger. The more posts you do, the more chances you have to rank on Google and the more real estate that you have out there working for you. And over time, you're going to get more and more people clicking your links, buying, and making sales on autopilot. Well, there we have it. I hope you enjoyed learning this strategy. And if you want to take the shortcut and copy what's already working, be sure to grab the free toolkit below. It includes my funnel map, tools, and everything you need to start getting results. Be sure to like and subscribe if you got value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.